you are given a tank of dimension 5 meter into 3 meter into 2 meter. That means the length of the tank is 5 meter, the width of the tank is 3 meter and the height of the tank is 2 meter. Therefore, what will be the volume of that water tank? We know that volume equal to length into breadth into height. That means volume of our tank is 5 meter into 3 meter into 2 meter. That means 30 meter cube. Then you are said that it takes 40 minutes to completely fill the tank. So what is the rate of flow of water? In case of any rate, in denominator we will place the time and in numerator we will place the amount or quantity. How much time we took? We took 40 minutes. And what amount or what quantity of water flown? 30 meter cube. So the rate of flow will be 3 by 4 meter cube per minute. The rate of flow of water is 3 by 4 meter cube per minute. That means in 1 minute 3 by 4 meter cube water flows, or in decimal we can write 0.75 meter cube per minute. This is our answer. Now let's make the math a little bit difficult. If you are asked the same question but you are asked to write the answer in specific unit, for example in meter cube per minute, you will answer this. Same question is asked again except with some tails with it. Find the rate of flow of water in meter cube per minute, liter per second, centimeter cube per second. Now how to deal with it? The first question is you need to find the rate of water in the unit of meter cube per minute, which is found here. This is answer of question 1. In case of question 2, what should we do? We need to convert meter cube in liter. This means 0.75 meter cube in 1 minute. So you need to convert this meter cube in liter. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. All of us know that. So 0.75 meter cube means 0.75 multiplied by 1000 liter divided by 1 minute. That means 750 liter divided by 1 minute. That means 750 liter per minute. We found the answer of question 2. Rate of flow of water in liter per minute is 750 liter per minute. What about question number 3? You are asked to find the value in liter per second. 750 liter divided by 1 minute. We found it here. That means 750 liter divided by 60 seconds. 12.5 liter per second. Therefore, rate of water flow in unit liter per second is 12.5 liter per second. This is the answer of question number 3. And what about the last one, question number 4, in centimeter cube per second? 12.5 liter divided by 1 second. We will convert this liter into centimeter cube. We know that 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube. That means 12.5 liter means 12.5 multiplied by 1000 centimeter cube divided by 1 second. That means 12,500 centimeter cube per second. This is the answer of question number 4.